Pink Mangano Calcite is a pale pink variety of calcite with a trigonal crystal system. It's most commonly opaque and banded with layers of pink and creamy white. But this stone also forms small crystal clusters or crystal drues in a soft pink color. Pink Mangano Calcite helps to soften harsh or rough personalities and can remove feelings of bitterness or frustration and transmute them into feelings of compassion, forgiveness, or understanding. This crystal instills a sense of gratitude even for the little things that life has to offer us. It also promotes the opening of the heart and facilitates cooperation, especially within large groups. It's an excellent stone for healers who want to connect with their clients in a deeper way, but one of my favorite things about this crystal is that it can be used to facilitate new friendships or encourage growth in existing friendships by helping to facilitate a genuine emotional connection between you and others.